Hi, this is Tony Mark of the Mark and Grether Group. Welcome to our new listing at 6122 Busch Drive in Malibu. So there are 4 separate parcels. We're on lot 1. Lot 2 is this olive orchard this way. Lot 3 up above, and lot 4 above that. Property is all enclosed, has its own road up to a cul-de-sac, 4 water meters, and 4 separate legal parcels, totaling about 6.4 acres. Main house is about 5,000 square feet, which was completed in 2003. Beautiful Tuscan style, authentic, with a lot of imported materials. And let's go take a look. Walking out of the main house, we get this courtyard area that's all enclosed and private, and then out into this wine tasting area, which was a tower they imported from Italy with a lot of imported stones from Tuscany. So there's a tasting room on the lower level and an office area up above. So now we're moving our way up the property. You can see the main house on lot 1 below. This is the road that leads up to the other 3 parcels. Again, this is private and gated. And then you can see we get a really nice ocean view as we start going up the hill. So lots 2, 3, and 4 all have this really pretty ocean view. Quick overview of what we're going to be seeing. So lot 1 is the house down below. Lot 2 is the olive orchard next to it. Moving up the hill, we're coming up this way. This is lot 3. Both these lots have a view out to the ocean this way. This is lot 4, and this whole area down below is a big enclosure that they have animals. This is the bottom back portion of the property. All this area is enclosed, and we're now between Busch Drive and Busch Drive, which are 2 of my favorite places on the planet.